What's going on, guys? Charged up here in the garage with another update. Yes, I am continuing to remove things from the garage. Yes, at a snail's pace because there's just so much stuff in here. At a snail's pace. However, I did take off the shelving unit that was up top, and then you can see that there's only one cabinet left. I think this cabinet, along with these four, I'm gonna bring with me to where I'll be living, along with the bike and the lift, just so I have access to some tools, so I can do some videos perhaps, depending on how much space I have. Everything else is going into storage. And then I've just currently started taking off the slat wall here on the right side of the garage, because this wall is gonna be completely gone anyway. So I didn't really think about how much screws and how much work it went into putting these up until I started taking them down. But yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws for each panel. I've taken off 2 panels so far. Yeah, there's there's only a couple of panels on this one, but I mean, all that, plus all that, and all that, because those are 4 separate ones. But ooh, you know, I've got a lot of work to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off, maybe move some stuff around from there. And yeah, hopefully I can get most of the panels off today. Yeah, I mean, 100% I'm gonna get that off for sure. And then maybe removing the Ryobi charging tools off the wall. Yeah, a lot of stuff to do still. Renos are coming up real quick. I think we've got another, 2 or 3 weeks until everything starts, so this has to be done. I also have to still remove the lights that I have in here, the 60,000 lumens, the LEDs for the garage, for when I actually do some work in here. But yeah, still a lot of ways to go, but just a quick update on my end. To the next one, guys.